Hello viewers, Apple has released iPadOS 18.3. I have received this update today. As you can see here, my iPad 10th generation is currently running on iPadOS 18.2.1, and in this video I will install the latest iPadOS 18.3 and give you the details about the new update. This is not a big update, it is only 771 MB. This update will include enhancement, bug fixes and security updates for iPad. If you are using any iPhone, in that case also you will get iOS 18.3 update. In iPadOS 18.2.1 I am getting great battery life. I don't know whether I will get the same battery life with iPadOS 18.3. So I will suggest you not to update now. So finally my iPad 10th generation has been updated to iPadOS 18.3, as you can see here. Many users actually want to know about the performance of the display, whether there is any flickering issue or any other screen related issue. I will say that there is no issue with this update. I have played HDR videos on this iPad 10th generation and I can play 4K 60 FPS videos without any hassle or without any kind of lag or stutter. So yeah, the multimedia consumption is as good as it was before. I think there is no visual changes in this iPadOS 18.3, but internally there are various changes. It will fix bugs and also performance will be improved, and as a result of which the end user experience will be excellent. I have tested the multitasking and I can say that multitasking is very good on this tablet. Previously also the multitasking was not an issue, and the best part on this iPad 10th generation is that under 30,000 rupees you can buy this iPad and you can edit your videos on the go with high-end quality, and actually you can render 4K 60 FPS videos if you use any good app. Suppose I use InShot, and in this app I can edit videos in 4K 60 FPS. So this is one of the best parts of this iPad 10th generation. As you can see here, there are options of 4K 60 FPS videos. And many users will want to know about the battery performance of this iPadOS 18.3. It is not possible for me to say now how is the battery life. Okay, so I have to test it for a couple of days, only then I can say about the battery life. I will go into the storage scenario and give you an update. As you can see here, the memory has been increased, and if you go into iPadOS and system data, you can see that there is decrease in iPadOS data and also system data. However, it will gradually fill up. Okay, so you have to keep deleting things regularly as it is only 64 GB of internal storage. So I think this is a very good update, but don't update to the latest version right now, because I will post another video regarding the review of iPadOS 18.3. so if you are interested to watch that video, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on, so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video on this channel.